Hello everyone, I am Tarun Chauhan and you are watching The Technical Fist, and in this video we are going to unbox the OnePlus 6. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what I got today from the Amazon. And this box contains the OnePlus 6 that we are going to unbox today, okay? So let's open this box and see what's inside. So I've already opened this up, and the first thing that you see after opening it up is the OnePlus 6 itself. And let's put it aside. And there are a few more things that you can see over here when you order from the Amazon. And this is your invoice, I guess. Anyways, let's put it aside and unbox our device. So this is OnePlus 6, the hot topic of the market. So this device contains the Snapdragon, the latest Snapdragon 845 processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is the midnight black version. The specifications is here, and if you want to know the full review of this phone, you can watch our previous video that we uploaded about this phone, which contains everything that you need to know about OnePlus 6. So let's start unboxing. So over here, this is a nice packaging that I'm going to open now. Okay, so this is the OnePlus 6. Let's open it up, and nice, this is tight. All right, and oh, there you go. This is the OnePlus 6, guys. The latest smartphone in the market is over here. All right, so let's put the phone aside for now. Okay, let's put it aside and we will have a look at it later. And over here we've got this, this is the case, I guess. So let's open it up. Okay, the packaging, the whole overall packaging is really good and really tight. Okay, come out. All right, yeah, nothing is inside. All right, so this is a very common case that you can see in the market. Although OnePlus 6 have several other cases like the wood one and the silicone and etc. So there are so many cases available for you guys to purchase from the OnePlus site. So you can go now and purchase some other cases. Otherwise you've got the basic version of the case. And rest is the SIM ejector tool that is used to eject the SIM. This is a really important tool, guys. Don't miss that up. Okay. And then comes the user guide and some more paperwork to do inside this, as you can see over here. Yeah, so some more user guide. All right, putting it aside, then we've got one sticker of OnePlus which says never settle down, and we should never settle down. That's absolutely right. Okay, so that's it about this one. And then we've got a dash charger from the OnePlus 6. As you guys know that this dash charger is really fast and it can charge your phone in up to 30 minutes. That's it, 30 minutes and your phone will get fully charged. So this is a super fast charger that OnePlus offers using dash charging. And then you've got the USB Type-C data cable, okay, so which is also really good and super fast. So that's all about the box, and let's have a look at the phone itself. So this is over here is the phone, the OnePlus 6 that you guys were waiting since the beginning. Okay, so this is the midnight black version. Let me take it out. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the camera as well after setting it up. Okay, so this is the midnight black version. As you can see over here, it has some nice shiny glossy look on it. And then over here is the main display, which have a notch. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but you will be able to see it clearly once we boot it up. So let's start booting it up. There you go. This is the OnePlus 6 powered by Android. So until this phone gets booted up, let me tell you about the specifications of this device. This device gets dual camera one is 16 megapixel and other is 12 megapixel, and this one got the fingerprint scanner, and this time it is not circular, it is in an oval shape, you could say a rectangle with rounded corners. And below over here you've got the OnePlus symbol, and at the bottom you've got the design by OnePlus. This is the first time they are doing this. Before this they have never ever mentioned it on any of their phone. Okay, so this is basically the back, and yeah, one more thing.
Touching the screen until you hear to enable accessibility mode.
Whoa. Okay, so let's talk about the let's continue about the back, and then we'll come to the front. Okay, so in the previous versions of OnePlus we had the camera over here and the fingerprint scanner over here, but now it is all vertically aligned. Okay, and over here is the speaker, and then the USB charging slot, and the 3.5 jack of audio. Man, this is really important, and this is good to see that the mobile companies like this is still adopting this 3.5 jack, which is helpful for most of the users. Okay, and over here is the power button, and over here is the volume key, and over here is the SIM tray. Let me open it up and let me show you guys how SIM tray looks. Okay, so let me open it up. And this is basically 2 SIM slot, and there is no SD card slot, but you don't need an SD card slot since you have 128 gigabytes of RAM, gigabytes of storage, and 8 gigabytes of RAM. So I don't think you're going to need any memory card for this. Okay, you can use your Google Photos or Google Drive for other storage settings. Okay, so now let's come to the main specification of the phone and the real look of the device. This is the startup, and as you can see over here is the notch, and this is basically the status bar that you can access over here. One good thing that OnePlus have done in this set is that you can disable this notch if you don't like it. So if you like the notch, that's okay, good to go, you've got the notch, the latest design in the market. But if you don't like the notch, you can disable it by going to the settings and choosing your preferences. So let me set it up quickly. So I'm going to select everything. Name as the technical fist. Next, and then add face data. This is basically used for the face detection. Add face data. Let's select the pattern, a very basic pattern. Confirm. All right, allow. Next. And we're done. Confirm, and we're done. Okay, so let's see more. Agree, allow. All right, so this is basically the first look that you will get to see after setting up your OnePlus 6. This is basically it. Okay, so over here you've got one additional app that is Plus One Community. Basically, this should be basically for the OnePlus community, and the UI is absolutely matches most of the the stock Android. Only a few things are changed. Most of the UI is the stock Android, and there is one more additional app that is pre-installed, that is Google Pay. So if you have the Google Pay, if your shopkeepers accept the Google Pay, then you can use the Google Pay to pay your bills pretty quickly. Okay, so moving on to the camera, the most important part of the device. So let's open up the camera, allow, and this is basically the back camera that we have. And let me show you a photo of the back camera. So I'm gonna use my cover. Yes, this one. Okay, let me show you guys the photo. Okay, so I'm gonna take a photo and done. Wow, man, seriously, I must say the camera is amazing. Whoa, I can see very clear pixels, and the blur settings is also amazing. I don't think I have selected the portrait mode. Yes, it was not the portrait mode, it was just the normal focus of the camera. Now let's check out the portrait mode as well. So now we are in the portrait mode, got it, and let's see the portrait mode as well. So I must say the normal camera is also amazing. Okay, so you don't even need a portrait mode. It was able to blur out the background, as you can see over here. The background is not much clear, and the whole focus is over here without portrait mode. And with portrait mode, as you guys know, the background gets really blurred. Okay, so but the camera is amazing. Let's check out the front camera. So let me turn on the front camera, and yeah, here you go. Okay, so this is basically the front camera, and yeah, it's good. Let me take a picture. Right, let's see. Wow, amazing. You can see my beard and my t-shirt's color, and most of the details are really fine. And OnePlus said that they will publish more camera updates on their device. Alright, let's go to the setting and let's see what we've got. So if I go to the about, we are getting the Android version 8.1.0, which is audio, and you can upgrade this phone to the Android preview. So the preview version is also available of Android P. If you want, you can upgrade it to that. And the Oxygen OS that we will get with this device is the 5.1.0, which is also the latest Oxygen OS. RAM is 8 GB and storage is, as I told you, 128 GB. Okay, so everything is really cool about this device. And if I tell you about the battery, its battery is 3300 megahertz, and I must say this device is really fast, and the premium, this is basically a premium device, and the look and feel is amazing. Let's add the fingerprint scanner and let's see how much fast it is. Okay, so let's go to the security, and let's say add fingerprint. Okay, so I'm gonna add a fingerprint on this device. Next, okay, so this is the fingerprint scanner, and over here we have this fingerprint. So done. Oh wow, I must say this is really fast. I have added my fingerprint on Moto, on MI, on many devices, but this fingerprint is really fast. Okay, we are already done with this, and let me show you guys the fingerprint speed. So this is basically locked right now, and as soon as you can see over here, as soon as I touch on this gets unlocked. See, so the speed of fingerprint is really amazing. It is really fast, and I'm really impressed. Okay, let's see the face unlock. Okay, so over here I am, and as soon as I click on that, see, it is unlocked. Okay, right now I'm not looking at it. Okay, as you can see, this is locked. I'm not looking at it, but as soon as it is, you know, pointing towards me, it gets unlocked. As you can see over here again, done. I'm not looking at it, done. So this face unlock is really amazing. You don't even see the lock screen on the face unlock, and this is really fast. One more thing to note over here is that when you get this phone, you will get a system update as soon as you boot it up and connect it with the network. Okay, so we have a system update available over here of Oxygen OS, and it might improve some of the camera qualities and some more features, you know, add some more features to this device. So we're gonna update this device, and that's it for this unboxing video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I would recommend you guys to subscribe to our channel, because we are gonna bring so more videos on this channel every week. One more thing, we will also upload a full review of this device after 1 month of full usage of this device. Okay, and we will compare this phone with its previous version, OnePlus 5T. Okay, so we are gonna put a comparison video of OnePlus 5T and OnePlus 6, so don't miss that. Hit the like button if you like this unboxing video, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any video that we upload on this channel. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.